statement. Beatrice Kemei, she's not here. And I have addressed also this matter, the DCI, myself, also the general public, but the statement is here. And for public interest, 3 persons were charged in regard to this, and the rest of the processes are ongoing. So the statement be adopted unless Mrs. Kemei, Honorable Kemei, has specific clarification. Statement into the death of Ms. Bridget Njoki Wainaina in response to a question by Mashua Waitaka, who is here, a member of Kiambu Town. I'll go straight to part 1 of the statement. Honorable members, at the outset, I wish to extend the ministry's sincere condolences to the family of the late Bridget. We recognize the profound grief and the loss of life under such distressing circumstances, and I assure this committee that the ministry is fully committed to ensuring transparent through an expeditious pursuit of justice. Transparent, thorough, and expeditious pursuit of justice. Honorable members, 7th July 2025, a report was filed at Ndumberi Police Station indicating that a juvenile, Ms. Bridget Njoki Wainaina, had sustained a gunshot injury from a stray bullet while inside her family residence at Karigoini in Ndumberi. She was immediately rushed to St. Bridget Hospital, Kiambu, where she succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment. Upon receiving the report, officers from Ndumberi Police Station proceeded to the hospital where they confirmed the minor was sustained a gunshot wound to the head. The scene was processed and documented. The body was moved to the mortuary pending an autopsy. The DCI Kiambu is to open the inquiry file, commence investigation. Subsequently, IPOA assumed the jurisdiction over the case. On July 2025, 9th, a post-mortem examination was conducted at St. Teresa Hospital, Tindikwa. The procedure was witnessed by representatives from the family, police officers, IPOA, and the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, and Vocal Africa. The cause of death was confirmed as traumatic brain injury due to penetration of gunshot wound, and the recovered bullet head was handed over to IPOA as an exhibit. IPOA took over the investigations provided with all the relevant documentation and evidentiary exhibits. The investigation is currently ongoing. The steps being taken to expedite conclusion of for the crime scene investigation team has already completed the necessary processing and document of the scene. Following this, family was granted full clearance to access the premises and restore their home to a habitable condition. Measures put in place by Ministry to strengthen firearm regulation. There is a robust licensing and vetting framework. We have a forensic and technical oversight processes. There's internal national police service controls, which includes centralized firearm register, strict operational issuance, regular armory inspection, disciplinary accountability. Plans put in place by service to provide support to the Wainaina family. While the ministry does not have a statutory mandate or dedicated scheme to directly offer compensation for victims of crime, we fully respect the right of the aggrieved. We encourage the next of kin to seek legal redress through the court of law as provided for under Constitution. But the ministry remains available to facilitate the judicial process by ensuring all investigative findings are accessible. Investigative findings are accessible for the interests of justice. There is also an ongoing process for compensation of victims of violence with Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. I think that will help in the process also in this situation. Statement regarding security in Kandui by John Makali, whom I've not seen, Honorable